Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. As you can see in the back, baby Nadia is watching her cartoons, but pay no attention to that. Today I'm actually going to shadow slash do a interview for an office position. So like a clinic office position. So I just wanted to do a little day in the life so you guys can come with me. So I've already had a prior interview with them and they wanted me to come in and see what the office looks like and just basically see what I'll be doing on a daily basis. So that is what this video is going to be about, so come along. Okay guys, this wouldn't be a proper day in the life if I didn't start from the very beginning. As you guys know, I usually work night shift, but this shadowing opportunity is going to be at 9 a.m. in the morning. It is about 6:30 a.m. I'm waking up early because I don't know, I'm just a little nervous about the whole thing. So on this day, we have Nadia's grandma here. So she is actually in the other bedroom with grandma because for some reason I couldn't sleep last night and I knew I had to get up early, so grandma took over. For those of you who have been following me for a while now, you know that I usually make my bed every morning. This is just part of my morning routine. After the bed is made, I'm just going to go brush my teeth, do a little bit of skincare routine, and then jump in the shower. This video is actually sponsored by Home Chef, but I'll tell you guys a little more about that in a minute. I usually like to take a shower in the morning. That is part of my morning routine, and it also helps me feel like I'm starting the day off fresh. Done. So hey guys, I have taken my shower, brushed my teeth, so now I'm about to do just a little bit of makeup. Nothing heavy, but something, decent. So to start off, to prime my face, I'm going to use this rose water spray. If you guys don't have rose water in your skincare routine, I encourage you to get it because it is the stuff. And then for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this MAC concealer and then this angled brush right here. So nothing extensive, I'm just going to be defining my eyebrow. My eyebrows never ever look the same. I don't care how hard I try, they just don't like to look alike, but that's fine. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Nirvana by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to be lightly using this color right here. So that is it. You can barely tell that it's on, but that's fine. That is the point. So from there, I'm going to move on to my foundation, and I'm going to be using this Match Master by MAC. This is what it looks like. And I normally use a brush for my foundation. So again, I'm just going to do this very lightly just to cover my imperfections here and there. I keep promising to do a makeup routine for you guys, but I keep forgetting. But I promise I'll do it. This is not really a makeup routine. This is more of a day in the life video, but I just want to show you guys how I do my quick 10 minutes makeup before I go to work or before I go to something like an interview. As you can see, I have some bags underneath my eyes, so I'm going to use my same MAC concealer to conceal underneath my eye a little bit. It just brightens up the underneath of your eyes and make you look more awake. And then after that, I'm going to grab my setting powder. So this powder is by Laura Mercier. I'm just going to put a little bit in those areas where I put the concealer just to set it. Then for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this roller liner by Benefit. This is what it looks like. And then I'm just going to line above my eyes. And then for my mascara, I'm going to use this Bold Lash by LA Color just to add a little bit of volume to my lashes. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using this NYX Liquid Suede. This is the color. And I'm just going to put a little bit on. And then I'm going to be using this clear lip gloss, also by LA Color, just to tap it off. So this is the finished look of my makeup. It barely looks like I have makeup on, but that is the point. It is daytime makeup and you want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a simple ponytail, put on my uniform, and I'll be ready to go. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Home Chef. Home Chef is a meal kit and food delivery company that delivers pre-portioned ingredients and recipes to subscribers weekly in the United States. As you guys know, I am a busy mom, nurse, and YouTuber, so pre-prep meals that take little to no time to prepare is a lifesaver for me. Home Chef is launching the easiest meal plan ever. This meal plan is called Fresh and Easy. These meals are very easy to make. They come with fully cut and portioned ingredients that you can cook in just one step. Cleanup is a breeze because these meals come with even the oven-ready pan and grill bags, which makes life so much easier. Each of the meals requires less than 5 minutes of prep time. And my favorite part is that each of the meals come with very high quality proteins and vegetables, which is great for someone like me who's trying to lose the baby weight. I encourage you guys to sign up and try it because if you use my code, which is MERCY80, you are going to get $20 off each of your first 4 purchase for a total of $80. I promise you, you will not only love the food, but you will also love how easy and fun it is to prepare your own food. So guys, this is the uniform I'll be wearing today. It's something casual. It's just a gray pants, some comfortable shoes, these gray pants, and the white top. I don't know what their dress code is, but you can never go wrong in a pair of scrubs. So per usual, I'm running a little late, but these are the things I'll be taking with me. So I'm taking my wallet in case I need my ID or I need a credit card for some reason. I'm taking my stethoscope. I'm taking my ID badge. And then I'm taking my key and some water. And I'm not taking my regular nursing bag because it's a clinic setting and they're going to have all the equipment. So I'm just taking my regular bag. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything in my bag and then get out of here. I need to hurry up because I'm running kind of late. So guys, I'm here. I'm going to go ahead and get ready and go in. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why, but I shouldn't be nervous, but I am. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, I got to get out of here. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So this is a quick little pan of where I'll be spending most of the day. That's the bed right there, the scale, vital card, little sink, little sink, and a little desk. So guys, we're on a quick break in between seeing patients, and the nurse practitioner is actually in her office. And I'm just sitting in here chilling out, drinking some water, staying hydrated. But it's been really nice so far. We've seen a lot of patients. We've seen a lot of different patients, and it's pretty cool. And I'll have to probably go outside to talk to you guys more about it because I don't like the lighting in here. And also, I don't want everyone to hear what I'm saying. But it's pretty cool. So we're going to have like a 15 minutes break. And I think the patient we're supposed to be seeing is either running late or not going to show up, but there's usually a 15 minutes grace period. So if the patient's appointment is at 10:30, they have up to 10:45 before they can get canceled. So that's what we're waiting for, and if that patient doesn't show up, then we will either take a walk-in or The nurse says she usually uses that time to put in her orders or chart or catch up with anything that she needs to catch up on. So that's basically what's going on right now. But she says that the patients usually show up last minute. So that's what we're waiting for. But so far, so good. We finally just got done, and yeah, it wasn't bad. I didn't expect it to be bad or anything, so it turned out exactly how I envisioned it to be. So just to give you a little overview of what I did today, or what we did today, so I shadowed a nurse practitioner. So she is like the boss or the head of that facility. So I shadowed her, and so what she was doing was basically, sometimes when you say you're going to see your primary care provider, most times it's actually a nurse practitioner. Not always, but most times it is a clinical nurse practitioner. So she has that office, and she has I think a medical assistant working with her, and she has like three other nurses working with her. This particular facility has different branches throughout the city, but this is one of their smaller ones, so they have just a few staff. So the medical assistant's job is to do vitals and ask a few questions before the nurse practitioner comes in. So the patient comes in and tells the nurse practitioner what their chief complaints are, which means why they came to the clinic. The nurse practitioner will ask some questions, and then if she needs to diagnose something, she will. But if she needs to treat something, she'll send out a prescription. She also does a very basic assessments, like listen to heart tunes and do like a quick head to toe assessments and stuff like that. And then the nurses are also there. They do similar things, but not as in depth as the nurse practitioner. And they also are there to draw blood, do some lab work, just do anything that a nurse is supposed to do in that instant. So I was shadowing the nurse practitioner, but the position I'm going for is for a staff nurse position. I'm also a nurse practitioner student. I haven't started doing my rotations yet, but once I get to that nurse practitioner role, I want to work in a setting like that. And that is one of the reasons this position actually piqued my interest, because I just wanted to see what the nurse practitioner does on a daily basis. So things I like about this position is the fact that it is a clinic setting versus a bedside setting. So it's less busy, less chaotic, one patient at a time, versus the position I previously held at the hospital. It was a little more chaotic, and I also like the fact that it's only 8 hours versus 12 hours. I like the fact that it's a smaller setting, so the staff know each other a little more, and it's more of a just a smaller family like setting. Things I don't like is the fact that, number one, it is far from my house. It is about 24 minutes. My previous position at the hospital was only 4 minutes from my house, so you can see the difference there. But now it is 24 minutes when there's no traffic, but if there's traffic, it can be up to an hour, to be honest, especially on the highway. So that fact I don't like. I also don't like the fact that it is 5 days a week. I'm used to working 3 days a week and having the rest of the days off. So those are things that I would have to take into account. I was actually going for a part-time position, but they said at the moment they don't have a part-time position. So the position that is open, which I interviewed for, was a full-time position, meaning Monday through Friday, and I'm actually looking for something a little more part-time because I'm still doing my home health position, but I just wanted to look into other things. But on the other hand, I don't want to, go back in my routine of working so many jobs here and there. So there's a good chance I may not take the position, just because of the fact that, number one, it is far from where I live. Number two, it is 5 days a week. If it was 1 or 2 days a week, I would jump on it in a heartbeat, but I just don't want to overwhelm myself right now. So I think I'll keep looking, and if I find something that is more part-time, even if it's 2 days a week, I might go for that. But at this moment, I don't think I would take that position. But it was an awesome experience. The nurse practitioner was awesome. She's so great. She taught me so many things. It was a great learning experience. And now they have my file. If something comes up, if something part-time comes up, I can always jump on it and I'm sure they'll gladly take me. So that is it for this video, guys. I just wanted to take you guys along this little adventure with me. Thank you guys for always watching my channel and being so sweet and so supportive. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video from me again. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.